Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 349, Site Actions in VS Code. In our last tip, I talked about the Power Platform Tools extension for VS Code, and how it provides useful capabilities for Power Pages developers. In this tip, we're going to look closer into the actions available within the extension. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Within the Explorer sidebar in VS Code, if you have the Power Platform Tools extension installed, you'll see the Power Pages action pane. Within the current environment, you'll see sites grouped into two categories, active and inactive. If the currently open folder in VS Code is that for any of the active sites, it will be marked as current. You can perform actions on the sites by right-clicking on them. All of the site types allow you to view the site details, which open in a dialog and let you copy to the clipboard. The additional actions you can perform on active sites include previewing, which clears the cache, downloading, and opening in the Design Studio. The current site also allows you to upload, open an Explorer, and run the CodeQL screening. For inactive sites, the additional options include reactivating the site, which deep links you to make.powerpages.microsoft.com to complete the reactivation process, and the ability to open the management app. In our next tip, we'll look at how you create, rename, and delete website components in VS Code. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 349 on site actions in VS Code useful.